Okay, math enthusiasts, buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into a mind-bending mathematical mystery. Welcome again to MA Logic's Mathematics Tips. Today, we are going to solve this math operation. And in this math operation, we have 8 plus 8 multiply 7 and whole divided by 8. Friends, if you're feeling lost, try doing math. It always has a solution. Ha 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 ha! But twist is that its answer is not 14. Okay, it's very easy than it looks. Let's move to the solution. Here, we have one addition and one multiplication. So according to the nature of operation, we have to follow PEMDAS rule to proceed the solution. In PEMDAS, as we see, multiplication has higher priority than addition, and we have to move from left to right. If you really like maths, then you should eat walnuts. Ha 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 ha! Okay, now here, first, we will multiply 8 with 7, which gives us 56. Okay, why did the math book look sad? Because it had too many problems. Ha 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 ha! Okay, guys, now we will move to the next step, where we have 8 plus 56 and whole divided by 8. Now, by adding this 8 and 56, we will get 64 as their sum. Okay, now in our next step. This 64 divided by 8, which gives us only 8. Guys, this is our final answer to the above stated problem. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more brain-teasing content. Share this video with your friends and see if they can solve it too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.